This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performance does not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk, and there's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading. This is the Premier Trade Forex Report with Scott Norse. This is the Market Wrap on a Monday. Jack Lott here on the James Dix Financial Network. Well, according to the chief economist in Moody's rating agency, the U.S. Federal Reserve cannot lower interest rates, at the moment at least, given high oil prices and the specter of inflation. Moody's said that the Fed and the European Central Bank should coordinate their actions, though. Saudi Arabia said it'll produce more crude this year if the market needs it, but the vague pledge fell far short of U.S. hopes for a specific increase and may do little to lower prices immediately. News reports, meantime, said that the token gesture of Saudi Arabia committing to raise oil production meant nothing to the futures market, and crude prices will just continue to climb. And according to the Lundberg survey, the average price of regular gas at self-service stations, $4.10 a gallon on Friday. That's up 10 cents in the last 2 weeks. In other news today, Citigroup is preparing to fire thousands from its worldwide investment banking division. News reports said that the layoffs are part of a plan to cut about 10% of the staff of 65,000 members in the investment banking group. Bunge will be offering the equivalent of $56 in its shares for each share of corn products. Including the assumption of debt, Bunge will pay $4.8 billion in the deal. And Republic Services announced that it will buy Allied Waste Industries in a $6.07 billion stock deal that would join the second and third largest players in the disposal industry. Some of the earnings reports scheduled out tomorrow in the U.S. include the retail index for the week of June 21st, the Case-Shiller Home Prices Index for April, consumer prices for June, and the April Office of Federal Housing Enterprise Oversight home prices. That's coming out tomorrow morning as well. In earnings, Walgreens out. Profit for the quarter rose 2% to $572.3 million. That's 58 cents a share. Analysts were looking for 59 cents. Bank of America Securities expects Merrill Lynch and UBS to write down $3.5 billion and $7 billion respectively in the second quarter. And Deere & Company said that at this time, recent flooding in the central U.S. is expected to have only a minimal impact on the company's worldwide credit operations that has been projected for their net income. Scheduled earnings on Tuesday, some of the marquee names: 3Com, Darden Restaurants, H.B. Fuller, Kroger, Sonic Corp, Interstate Bakeries, and Trans-Siberian Gold. Some of the stocks in the news today. Oracle Corporation said that it will buy the application software business of Skywire Software. The software developer expects the deal to close in the second half. Credence Systems and LTX, the two producers of automated test equipment for the semiconductor industry, agreed to merge as equals. Total SA traded higher after ABN AMRO upgraded the French oil giant to a buy from hold, saying the group offers upside potential even if oil prices remain very high. And that is the Market Wrap on a Monday. Jack Lott on the James Dix Financial Network.